Hi randoms, today I want to show you guys how I cleanse and clean my face. And currently I'm using these two clean and clear face washes. The first one is this morning burst, which surprisingly enough I use this in the morning. And then I have this night relaxing one, which try to guess. Oh my god, you got that so smart. But so I thought I'd just review them for you guys and share with you guys my experience, my thoughts, if they work, if they don't work, how well they take off my makeup, and of course talk about the formula and much more. So if you're interested, then let's get to reviewing. Now first off, I want to start talking about the Morning Burst Cleanser. And I really love this because it contains vitamin C in it. And if you didn't know, vitamin C has brightening effects on our skin. So basically whenever I'm using this cleanser in the morning, it just instantly brightens my skin up. It makes me look glowier, alive, and just wakes me up from my beauty sleep, my night sleep, and just gets me ready for the day, makes me look pretty. And also it contains these beads. They're called bursting beads apparently. I don't know if you can see them, but they're not like the scrub beads that you see in the scrubs. So like they're not firm. This is not exfoliator, so don't worry about that. These beads are much more like squishy and they're actually burst. And to be completely honest and real with you guys, I don't know what these are for specifically. I even looked it up on the Clean and Clear website and they just say bursting beads, so I have no clue what the purpose is for. But I mean, they are bursting, so if you are into explosions around your face area, I mean, I definitely like explosions in my mouth, so if you're into that, you're gonna like them.
بلوك على الفيسبوك، بلوك على الواتساب، بلوك تليفونات، بلوك انستجرام، بلوك عفوا بلوك.
But also another thing that it contains is ginseng. Now, I didn't know what ginseng for the skin was supposed to do and the benefits of ginseng for the skin, but when I looked it up, I was shooketh to the core, girl. I went straight to Amazon and ordered myself some ginseng supplement pills because I didn't know. Was I living under a rock that I didn't know what ginseng was for? Let me read you the claims. It prevents aging, maintains the skin elasticity just like collagen, lengthens the lifespan of skin cells, which basically like retinol does the same thing. It is an antioxidant like vitamin C. Do you hear what I'm saying? It activates the skin and prevents the skin cells from aging. What? I am shook.
The power that has, the intelligence that has, the clearance that has, the access that has, the influence that has, the profile that has, the international implications that has.
Honestly, these Asian beauty gurus, these Korean skincare experts, they have unlocked the key to eternal beauty and eternal youth. And thank God just now they're starting to open their doors to us Western people, Caucasians, and just everyone else, because whenever I see Asian people walking around, their skin is always perfect, immaculate, porcelain skin. And I'm like, why can I have that? So thank you, Asian beauty gurus, for finally opening up your doors to us Western, ignorant Caucasians and everyone else in this world, because we need that youth as well. And another thing that I love about this cleanser is that it's not too harsh at all. And I don't know if you guys maybe like you've used another cleanser in the past and it like right after washing your face, you can feel almost that squeaky clean feel, like your skin is very dry and tight. And if you didn't know, that is completely not what your skin should feel like after cleansing. And if chances are, if you are feeling a squeaky clean feel, probably the cleanser that you're using is too harsh for your skin. It's actually stripping all the moisture out of your skin, and that is not what we want. So you really want a more gentle cleanser that leaves your skin looking nourished and feeling like hydrated. And so this one specifically is very gentle, very mild, which I love because at night I do put all my skincare, a very like intense skincare routine loaded with active ingredients, and when I wake up in the morning I don't have that much left on my face because obviously they've all been absorbed, and I don't really need a really harsh cleanser to get everything off my face like maybe I would need in the night to remove the makeup and everything, because after all these skincare ingredients are quite, you know, beneficial for your skin, so you want to keep them on for the whole entire day. It doesn't matter if you have some residuals. So this is why I love this as well. And now moving on to the night relaxing deep cleansing face wash. Actually, since I'm matching the background, let me just change the color to more a blue tone. There we go. It's now night. Hello, it's time to go to bed. And so this night relaxing cleanser actually contains sea minerals and sea kelp extract, which are both really good at... Wait, no, actually, I totally forgot something that is crucial for this morning birth. I'm so sorry. My bad. This is so unprofessional of me. Let me just quickly switch back to the morning. Let's pretend like this never happened, okay? We're still in the morning, okay? Hello. And what I want to say about this is that I actually read some reviews online of this, and quite a few people were saying that this was breaking them out. But I really don't see how this product was breaking them out. I myself have very oily skin and it's very acne prone as well, as you can see. And also, if I just may add this to the conversation, on the bottle it also says oil free. So I really don't see how this product might be breaking you out. Also, if I just look at the ingredient list, I don't see any ingredients that might be clogging pores. All of these are non-comedogenic and they shouldn't really be increasing your oil production or causing acne. However, like, skincare is very personal and it depends on person to person, so I'm not gonna discredit their opinion. However, what I am gonna say that maybe they got confused is that they might have been trying out this one and another new product in conjunction to this one at the same time. And so maybe that other product was actually causing them to break out, but they blamed it on this one for some reason. This is what I'm getting out of this. I'm not quite sure though. Actually, it's such a good cleanser. But so anyways, moving back to the night, it's now night again. It's time to go to bed, time to go to sleep. But before you go to bed, girl, you always gotta take off that makeup. And this is where this night relaxing deep cleanser comes in play. Now, this cleanser contains sea minerals and sea kelp extract, as I was saying. And actually, both these two ingredients are really good at retaining moisture in your skin, just like a hyaluronic acid. So basically, these are just gonna plump up your skin, help your skin retain whatever moisture you're putting on with your moisturizer. And for me, this is such a huge benefit because at night, that is where my skin is replenishing and renourishing, and when I'm putting a lot of active ingredients, a lot of moisturizers, and so a cleanser that actually helps with hydration is such a bonus for me. Also, this is really good at removing your makeup. I do use a double cleansing method, but I have tried to use just this one, and I do have to say it is really good at removing your makeup on its own. It takes off my mascara, my lipstick, my foundation, just everything. It melts it all off. I'm sorry. I'm quite sick. It melted all off, and that is why I really love this. Also, this one, instead of like having bursting beads, this contains oxygen bubbles. Again, I don't know what these oxygen bubbles are for, but regardless, it is a very nice consistency. And again, this one also says oil free. So both of these did not make me break out. So I really love them. They're also quite inexpensive, super cheap. I got them on Amazon for, I think, £7 if I'm not mistaken. Both of these, like together in a bundle, £7.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
And they actually last me so long. I've been using these for a bit more than a month now, and as you can see, I'm not even, how can I show you? Can you see? I'm not even halfway through the bottle yet, so, and I'm using like this one in the morning and this one at night, so that's why they're at the same level of usage, as you can see. So you're really getting a lot worth for your money. Like, this could probably take you
A long periodically time
to empty. So I'm really happy with these. Wait, actually, excuse me, just another thing that I forgot. I'm so sorry, I'm just all over the place in this video. But another thing that I wanted to mention that is quite important in my opinion is that even though these two cleansers contain really good ingredients, like for example, vitamin C, ginseng, sea minerals, kelp extracts, bath salts, even though they do contain these really good ingredients, if you think about it, you're only keeping these cleansers on your skin for what, like the 30 seconds that you're cleansing and washing your face. So really, you won't be getting that many benefits and that much effectiveness out of these really good ingredients that are contained in these cleansers. So if you want, for example, a brightening effect, you do want to go in and supplement and use a leave-on vitamin C, like for example, a vitamin C serum, which is actually what I have on my skin right now. So really, these are not a replacement for your ingredients, your good active ingredients. Actually, you know what? If you're not using a vitamin C serum, first of all, I want you to get on that vitamin C serum first. Then you can graduate and start using this vitamin C cleanser, okay? Because this will just cleanse your face. You won't be seeing that many benefits of a vitamin C if you're not using First of all, a really good vitamin C serum. Speaking of really good things in skincare and in general that are gonna be beneficial for your skin, and not only your skin in this case, but just your soul and spirit and overall your life, you know what? You should really consider subscribing and turning that bell icon on. I see you there. This is probably not the first video you've seen of me, of mine. So why are you just lying to yourself? Why don't you just make your life easier? Just give in to temptation. I know that you love chocolate, and I applaud you for not giving into temptation, for eating whatever you're craving. I see that chocolate bar. I don't eat that chocolate bar because it's gonna make me fat. But sometimes we do have to give in to temptation. Maybe it's that time of the month and we're getting our period, or maybe we're just feeling sad or whatever, or maybe we want to be happy and we want to eat that chocolate. Therefore, you have to give in to temptations of YouTube as well. And so, just hit that subscribe button and that bell icon on so that you don't miss anything of whatever I upload. Oh my god, I'm really begging you. I'm so sorry. Why am I so needy in this video? I'm so sorry. Let me just actually turn back the background to more like a colorful one, because this is like actually making me want to go to bed. It's currently only like 4 p.m. so I just need to wake up because I gotta go to the gym, girl. Like, hello. No, thank you. Bye. We go. But randoms, as you guys might know, my regular viewers, my regular subscribers, it is now time for the Italian word of the video. And since this video was all about washing your face, cleansing your face, cleaning your face, having that skin that is just ready to all your active ingredients just seep into it and just nourish it and just fill it all up, the Italian word of this video is going to be pulire, which is washing or like cleaning in English. Wait, do we have another word for clean? Like washing is pulire, but what is cleaning? Pulire? We don't have, like, you guys have cleaning, cleansing, washing, sanitizing, all these synonyms, but us Italians, we just simple people. We have pulire, sanitare, that is it. So yeah, I don't know why I'm rambling so much, you guys. I'm so sorry. And now moving on to my favorite comment in my second last video, which is the I actually don't have my that was so cringy. I'm so sorry. But I actually don't have a favorite comment in my second last video because I am pre-filming a bunch of these videos before I'm actually going back to Italy for the Christmas holidays. I'm so happy, so excited. This was it. So thank you guys, thank you randoms so much for watching. If you're still here, I don't know why you're still here. I mean, to be honest, like right now, you've probably been wasting your time just listening to me ramble for all this time, so you might as well just watch another video. Like, honestly, you're probably late to wherever you have to go already since you've been listening to me, so you might as well just watch another video right here. Like, one of these two, both are fine. You're gonna be entertained by watching one of these. So, oh, remember to be random. Always be random.